Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug. On Netflix, you click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Netflix app. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.